Hello children, welcome to the world of alphabets. Let us learn about the letter V. This is letter V. The shape of the ice cream cone looks like the letter V. Do you know that we can show the letter V using our hands like this? V makes the sound V, V, V. V for vegetables. Vegetables are the leaves, stems, roots, or other parts of certain plants that people eat. V for volleyball. Volleyball follows a routine and is played using a ball. V for volcanoes. Volcanoes spew heat, dangerous gases, ash, and lava. They are powerful. Now you know about letter V? Okay, children, keep learning.